Hello, welcome, and we will be learning about tree traversal technique today. All right, so let me begin. We are going to learn about tree traversal technique today. So, how do we go about it? Okay, so basically, there are three rules that we have to know, and that are pre order, in order, and then we have the post order. Oh, all right. So in the pre-order, what do? We write the root first, then we have the left, and then we have the right. So this is the traversal technique we apply. Same way when we go about over here, so we have left, we have root, and then we have right. Okay, and in the post order it is always left, right, and then I'm going to say it is root. So basically whenever you have to remember, you can just say that root is always the root is always coming in the diagonal form. All right, so this is the way to remember pre-order, in order, post order. They are always written, and then always remember they are like left, right, left and right, left and right. So always it is left and then right. Okay, now I will tell you a very beautiful technique, a very nice technique to go about it. Like if I have to learn and if I have to travel across, then what is it? Okay, so let me just go here and let me write it once again for all of you. That is pre-order. What have I written? Okay, pre-order, in order, and then I have the post order. Okay, now I will relate this to the one which I have told you, but let me just draw the tree for you first. So it is U, and then I have my Q, and then I have my P here, and then the next one if I want to draw over here is V, and then after this I have the S, and in the S I have say R and T, and then maybe over here I have X, and then this has to be W. All right, so this is what we will be learning today, and we will be writing pre-order, in order, and post order for all of these things. Okay, now when you go about it, always remember whenever you are writing pre-order, it is always number 1. Okay, this is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. So what we will do is, we will first draw the imaginary parts of it. So what will I do? See, this is like here, so I will draw 1 and 2. Okay, now here also if you observe carefully, one part is missing, so I will draw here. Here also the right part is missing, so that's what I will draw here. Here also if you see, I will draw 2 here, I will draw 2 here, and I will draw 2 here. Okay, so why 2? Because it is binary search, so that is why we are doing it like this. Now let us begin. What you have to do, whenever you are reaching any node for the first time, you will write in pre-order. Any node for the second time, you will write in order, and any node for the third time, you're going to write in post order. So how do we begin? We always begin from the first root, right? So this is like this. So you always start from here. So this, when you travel across, so you are reaching U for the first time. So you will write here U. Okay. Now you are reaching Q. So Q also you are reaching for the first time. So you will write Q. Then P. P also you are reaching for the first time. Okay. Now when you go about here, it is like you are reaching P for the second time. So you will write P. Okay. Then you will go here and you will see. So you will see that P you are reaching for the third time. So you will write P here. Then you will go at this place and you are reaching Q for the second time. So you will write Q. Then what is the next step which you will do? You will come down from here. See, it's like blocked, no? So you have to come this side. So you are reaching S for the first time. So you will write S. Then you will go down. So R also you are reaching for the first time. So you will write R. Then you will go here. You are reaching R for the second time. So you will write R. Then you are reaching over here. You are reaching R for the third time. So you will write R here. Then you will go here. S you are reaching for the second time. So S. Now you will go down here. T you are reaching for the first time. So you will write here. Then you will go down like this. So T you are reaching for the second time. Then you will go from here. T you are reaching for the third time. Now you will go here. S you are reaching for the third time. Dekho, first, second. See, can you see here? First, second. So S we are reaching for the third time. Then I will go here. Q again 1, 2. So Q we are reaching for the third time. Then from Q I will go to U. U I am reaching for the second time. See, first and second. So U. Then from U I will go to V. V I am reaching for the first time. From V I will go here. So V I am reaching for the second time. Now from V I'll go here. X I am reaching for the first time. So X. From X I am going to go to W. That is I am going to go W I am reaching for the first time. Now from W again this time. So W I am reaching for the second time. From W I am going here. It is W I am reaching for the third time. From W to X I am going for the second time. So second time. Then from X here, X again I am reaching for the third time. Now from here to here 1, 2. So V I am reaching for the third time. And from V you are again reaching to U. That is for the third time. Okay. This is how a tree traversal, any complex situation, any complex tree which is given to you, you can always rely on this concept. Okay. And if you want to observe carefully, if you see over here, if you see what I have written, what is the technique here? Root should be first. Can you see? Here the root is first. Here I have written root should be in the center or in the middle. Here it is there. And here what I have written, left, right, and root should be at the last. So can you see this? It is like this. And if you observe, one more thing I wanted to tell you, like if you observe this second one, this in order, can you see? It is always in the ascending, or you can say it is always in the sorted order, right? So in order of a binary search tree, it is always in the sorted order, you can say. Or this is the tree traversal technique which you can use, which you can put it across and easily solve all the questions. So thank you so much. And stay tuned for the next video. Please like, subscribe and share the channel.